So we have a little birdie that's decided to fall into our. Sorry, I can't talk right now because I'm worried like that the bird's gonna fly in my face. So anyways, this bird has decided to fly down our, what's it called? Chute or something? Chimney. Excuse me. And it's stuck in our little thingy and fireplace. And Al's gonna try to save it. And if you hear screaming and see the phone drop, it's because I have gone running and I'm scared. So he is my hero because apparently he's not afraid, but I am. Ah! Oh my gosh, see it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on, hold on. Don't let it jump on me. Hold on. Ah! Let me see. Woo! Hold on. Oh. Aw. Look at. Wow, look how tiny.
Look at baby bird.
Let me get a picture. Please don't fly. Please don't come with me. Please don't get me. Here, hold it up by your face. Hold it up by your face. The bird hero. Oh my gosh. Woo! Ah! Turn the fan off! Turn the fan off! Ah! It's on the ceiling! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's not so cute anymore! It's not so cute anymore! It's not so cute anymore! This poor thing is... Oh my gosh! And Al just... Oh my god!
He's going by house.
Oh my god! Okay. Now, wait. Hold on. Let me... Wait. Come on. It's not focusing. Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Oh, man.
All right. Well, it's not focusing, but I was going to let it go. Oh gosh. Here it comes. Oh.